You are welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop new video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can make a mockup logo without importing any PSD file on your phone. Let's start with this. Firstly, you're going to click on your browser and search for Photopea. Photopea.com. So you're going to click on it. So it is going to show something like this. So you are going to click on this then PSD template. Here we are. It's going to show a lot of templates. It is based on your choice, but as for me, I prefer this. There's a lot of templates here, but as for me, I prefer this one. I'm going to click on it. So look at these two links, this one and this one. So the first one has to do with maybe if you want to download the PSD file and import it later, but we don't have anything to do with the first link, so we want to edit it directly. So we are going to click on the second link. Wait for it to load. It's still loading. Be very patient while doing this. It's still loading. It's still loading. It's still loading. Alright, here we go. It has loaded, finish. So you're going to click on this. Look at this place. So you're going to click on this button, this place. You're going to click on it. Click on it. It's going to show something like this. So this place, you're going to click on where the right logo here. So you're going to click on this place. You're going to tap it till it shows something like this. Till all those things that is at the bottom disappear. So you are going to tap it very well. So after tapping it, it's going to show something like this. After showing something like this, then you are going to click on this back. We don't have anything to do with this one, so we'll drag it away. We don't need it. So you're going to click on this file. You're going to click on open and place. Alright, let me import the logo I like to use. While doing this, make sure that the one that you want to use, the background has been removed already to make your work very clean and perfect. So make sure that the background has been removed already. Alright, I'm still looking for it. I'm still looking for it. So sorry. So sorry, I'm still looking for it. So sorry, it's taking more than. Alright, I later found it. So I'm going to wait for it to load. It has loaded, finish. So I'm going to enlarge this. I'm going to drag it. I'm going to drag it very well. So I'm going to make sure I place it at the center so that it will be perfect. I'll place it at the center and make sure it is well aligned at the center so that it will be perfect and clean. Alright, it is cool like this. It is perfect. So I'm done. So I'm going to click on this file again and I'm going to save it as smart object. So I'm going to save it as smart object. I'm going to click on this, save as smart object. going to wait patiently. Smart object updated successfully. So it has been updated successfully. So I'm going to click on this place and I'm going to wait because it's going to take a lot of time, but not that very long, it's very short. I'm going to wait patiently. Alright, it is done. We are done with these. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop new video. Before we proceed to the next level, which is the final level, so let's save the work. So after finishing the work, we have to save it. So you're going to click on File and you're going to click on Export As. So as for me, I prefer PNG format. I'm going to click on it. I'll have to wait. Still loading. So it has loaded. So I'm going to save it. I'm going to save my work. I'm going to see a button here, this save button. I'm going to click on it to save it. It's going to show it. So let me do it for you. So I'm going to download it. So I'm going to click on this download. After downloading, my work has been saved. Let me download this for you and so that you see it. So let me open it for you so that you see the work. Alright, it is done already. This is cool and perfect. So we are done, guys. Thank you for watching.